To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the top, go to Account Center. Then select Profiles and Personal Details. From the list, tap on your Instagram account name. From the next screen, tap Username. You will then see your current username. First delete it, and then enter the new username you want to use. Instagram will then check whether the username is available. If it is, you will see a green check mark. After that, tap Done. Your Instagram username will be updated instantly, and the new username will now appear on your Instagram profile. And that's how you can easily change your Instagram username using the Instagram app.